Welcome to Tech Tether. Google Nest Wi-Fi router setup. Download the Google Home app on Android or iOS. Set up a home if this is your first time using the Google Home app. Choose a location for your router. Connect the Ethernet cable to your Nest Wi-Fi router's WAN port. Then, connect the other end to your modem. Plug your Google Nest Wi-Fi router into a wall outlet. After about a minute, the light will pulse white to indicate that it's on and ready for setup. Download and open the Google Home app on your phone or tablet and then log in using your existing Google account or create a new Google account. On the home screen, tap the plus sign, plus, in the upper left corner. Tap Setup Device in your home and select New Devices. On the next screen, the app will ask you to select a home or create a new one if you're not on Google's ecosystem. Complete the entire process and tap Next. At this point, the app will take a couple of minutes to search for devices. If your Nest Wi-Fi router appears on the screen, tap Next. Scan the QR code on the bottom of your device. Once you've scanned the QR code, a prompt should appear asking if you'd like to connect to the Nest Wi-Fi network. Tap Join. Then, the app will confirm your router is connected and check if your internet is active. Thanks for watching.